Hey there, I'm back with one more useful video today that is on how to partition our hard disk. Usually we'll have a 500 GB of hard disk or 1 TB. I observed some people won't do partitioning and use the same for OS as well as their personal data. So what's the issue here is if you lost some important file, let's say system32 file, if you accidentally deleted it or your antivirus deleted it, then you won't be able to start your mission and you'll obviously end up with losing all the data. So it is a good suggestion that you need to follow partitioning technique where you need to allocate some space for OS and application and some space for the personal data. So we'll see in this video how to partition and create a volume and delete a volume and merging the free spaces into a single disk and all. So without wasting time, let's get started. So let's walk through a step-by-step procedure on how to partition the disk. Okay. Now go to your Windows icon, just give a right click and you can see the disk management option. Just click on the disk management and you will see this window popping up with the drives available or the disk space you are having currently. If you bought a new laptop and you have 500 GB of space, you will definitely see only one drive assigned with letter C. Okay. For me, I have already made a partition, which is OS. For OS, I have made a C as a reserved drive, and for my personal data, I will use data which is D drive. So if I want to shrink the data D furthermore, I just click on the D drive and give a right click and click on shrink volume, and you can see the data actually. You can see the available shrink space in MB. So I have less space, so I'm considering for only 1 GB. And when I click on shrink, it will take a time and unallocate the GB. So here is unallocated memory, which is a 1 GB, which I just shrink, right? From data drive D, I have unallocated 1 GB. So I got a new unallocated GB here. So just click on that and right click and create a new simple volume. Just click on next and yes, click on next, and you have the flexibility to choose a letter on your own. I'm giving G, and you can click on next and click next and click on finish. So now you can see a new volume of G is added here. So if you can see, here is my 1 GB of space with a new drive here, which is completely empty as I don't have any data created yet. And this is where how we partition the disk. And you can also remove just the same procedure. Just delete the volume, click on yes, and you can see the unallocated GB as 1 GB as unallocated. And you can actually add this 1 GB back to the D drive just by clicking right click and extend volume. Just click on next. You can see 1024 is already available because we have this unallocated of 1024 MB, right? You click on that and click on next and click on finish. So you can see that 1 GB is no longer visible here and it is added to your D drive. And if you can see here, you no longer see the G drive which we have created. So this is how we partition and we shrink and delete the volumes. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.